What's up, Toosters and Two Bits? Good morning, it's your boy Stitch. Y'all know I'm in the iroc-c8 early this morning. Trying to get the bugs and the kinks worked out of them. So I drove it home last night. Getting some miles on it, so the rim lady can get in it, enjoy it, and be safe to say. I'm just cruising, man. It's doing pretty good. I do got an appointment this week to go get the gears put in, so I'm gonna drop it off. I think he say Thursday morning to get the gears put in. We're gonna do a 373 and a posit unit, so we're gonna get that part done. Like I say, other than that, I gotta set the fuel gauge and a few other little small things, man, but other than that, man, she's rolling real good. So far, so good. No issues. Nothing major, shall I say. There's always some issues. But everything is working proper, so we even got the push shifter down now. Radio control. Y'all see this bill been going crazy over the internet. We did get a tune on it. My guy tuned it. Around here been getting it right, so I think we only got to do a wide open throttle tune now to get. We're gonna maximize what we can out of this sucker. Make it a safe driver. Rolling, baby. We be rolling. I see everybody got a comment. Everybody got a comment. Hey, way more good than bad. So I'll take that. I don't be tripping. Don't catch me with no damn church shoes on. iPad up in there. Y'all see what time it is. Man, let me know what y'all think about this bill and any other bills that we done. I appreciate the feedback. I hope you appreciate mine now. If you're gonna give me your feedback, I'm gonna give you mine. But man, rim lady, she's definitely loving the bill, loving the way it came out, man. I say her colors, her vision. So hey, you gotta respect it. If it was mine, it'd be black and red, but it ain't. Say, man, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Show your boys some love. I'm trying to get them subscribers up, man. We are filming for Whip of the Week 2 right now. So we're finna start dropping this content, man, back to back. Get y'all what y'all want to see, man. We got a lot of behind the scenes on this one here. A lot of step by step. We're doing a lot more explaining. showing you how to get some great outcomes with the upholstery world. It's all about that whip appeal. Y'all see, man, when I say catch me in traffic, that's really what I mean. Catch me in traffic. We don't build nothing, we gotta keep on the trailer. We can't get in and then drive it, man. I don't want it. Too much money invested. Yeah, that's pulling pretty good, boy. Man, that's pulling pretty snazzy. But I'm about at the shop, so I'm finna get in here, man, to get going. Get my day started. Get me some sweet tea. Wait on everybody to show up. Make sure y'all go follow her page, man. Coffee and Camaro's chick. And she finna start doing a lot more walk-arounds. I'm finna get her on it. I don't know where we gonna grow it together. You can say, y'all know we did that's how we do. Reverse. Drive. That's that on that. Get me out of here. Boy, that's that iroc-c8. Been on the road early this morning. Early this morning. Come on, man. Y'all stop playing with us. Please stop playing with us. What they say, top 5? Top 5. It's like that in real life. Ask everybody that saw it. It's like that in real life. And make sure y'all shout my boy RC Customs out, man, on the push-in door handles, man. RC Customs got me right on those. We just rose gold them. That's about that on that, man. Hillary say we out in a minute.